Have you ever been in a courtroom setting and wondered, man, this place seems pretty secure, but what can we do better? Today we're going to talk about courtroom security. The judicial system in this country is integral to the rule of law. The amount of people going into courtrooms each day is rapidly growing. To meet the need of new technology that may render weapons undetectable, the need for the right equipment and personnel is essential to the overall security of the courtroom. This can be a physical barrier, such as a ballistic panel in a court bench, or having personnel solely designated for security in the courtroom. So in a courtroom setting, there is a lot of emotion that can be involved. This might lead to violence. When you understand the specific vulnerabilities inside of your building, you can determine if I need to put ballistic panels in your gallery, in your jury box, in your judge bench, or on the witness stand. All these things can help mitigate any kind of hostile threat. Lord forbid there's an active shooter. So how do you implement courtroom security protocols to keep everyone safe? This begins with the right security personnel. Although every courthouse has specific security personnel, your bailiffs, everyone involved in the court process should have some knowledge of tactics or training to help them preserve life. This can be something as simple as a general announcement to the gallery or anyone involved of just where the exits are in the case of a fire. There are some in the court of public opinion who would like to disarm our security personnel in the courtrooms. Despite the most aggressive security measures at some of these courthouses, that may not always be enough. There's always a weakness, and the best way to mitigate any kind of hostile threat to your courthouse is having well-armed and well-trained individuals there to preserve the security of that courthouse, as well as implementing physical barriers to prevent any kind of incident. So the next time you're in a courthouse, or if you work in a court setting regularly, take the time to sit down and think, what can we do better? Or do we have the proper physical measures in place? Do we have the proper training? Do we have the proper personnel making sure that everybody's safe while the court proceedings are going on? These are things that you can think of, and if you can't, feel free to contact us today for a site visit or a quote. Again, my name is Tobin. Thank you very much.